When a stroke patient plays the guitar, will it improve his brain? Will it improve the fingers, the hand, when this goes on? This will be our constant topic and discussion in this new drill that I am introducing in my channel today. Hello, my name is Fiao-ag and I am a stroke survivor. I was hit by this disease in April 2013 and my right side was affected. My arm and my fingers, they were just limp. My right leg, I was just dragging it, and also my memory was affected, but at least I retained some of it. The exercises I am uploading in these videos were all the drills I used to recover my weak body parts, and how you see me now in 2020 is the result of these drills here. Guitar playing has been my hobby when I was in college. It was 40 years ago, and I usually play to entertain myself. But when I had a job, I forgot to do it, and it was only now during this corona lockdown that I really took the chance to fiddle my guitar again, and it was really a relearning process. I simply started this, I think, April April 2020, after I bought this last December. Now we will discuss the obstacles that I am meeting while relearning this activity. We'll have it one by one. As I have said, I plan to do this on a weekly basis, and we will be meeting those obstacles, and I will be showing you how I solve them or find solutions to them, so that you may also be inspired to do it yourself, find a solution for whatever weaknesses you are experiencing with your fingers, with your hand, with your brain, even with your arm here, or rather with your leg. So for the first part, let me concentrate first on my good fingers. They are very much flexible because they are normal, but the first thing I met was when I placed them on the strings, especially when I was forming the chords, they were not exact. The fingertips, supposed to be the tip here, the ones that should be hitting the strings, but sometimes they go on the side, so instead of sounding distinct, it sounds like this, like that. It was muffled. Some of the strings were muffled. The sound should be like that. It should be distinct. And also during the first times, the tips of the fingers here are painful because they are not used to it, and that kind of discourage me to continue because I feel the pain every time I press the strings. And also my thumb here pressing forward like that against the four fingers here, it is being tired over here, so I said better give up, something like that. But that's only for the first weeks, maybe first days that I am trying to do that. But now I am growing some calluses on top of these fingers here, although there is still pain over there. But that is a good sign that my fingers are adjusting. And that is just how our training goes. Whenever it is a new one, we feel obstacles, and sometimes that discourages us to continue. But my advice there is we have to go on, and we will overcome that little obstacle voice there in our brain. So this will not be a problem. Much of the problem lies on this right hand and finger here. Okay, so what we will solve now is how am I going to make this guitar sound. because previously my specialty was to pick the strings one by one with my four middle and ring finger. But now they're stiff because of spasticity, and they are not as nimble as that, and they are not as forceful as that. So this will be we will be meeting again this problem later on when I will try to go for picking the strings of the guitar. So right now I am learning a new way to make my guitar sound by means of strumming. This was never my specialty years before, but now I am forced to learn it because this is the only way I will make this guitar sound like this. For example, like that. So the problem is, what will I use to make this guitar or this string sound? Or will it be all the fingers here, or will it be the tip of my forefinger? So what I'm experimenting is I'm using the nail of my forefinger here in my downward stroke of the string. So I do like that. But then it is also weak. The strings push it like this. It goes, how is that? Okay, it goes like that. So I need this thumb here to keep it pressed like that. So whenever I push that way, I strum this way, this thumb here will be giving support to this one here. Okay, so this will be what we will do, or we will be using in this song cover that I have prepared for you, or I will sing for you. So for the moment, let's leave it that way. Let's just concentrate on strumming and my good fingers being exact in their placement, execution of the chords here, so that this the song when it's being sung will be okay. And one final note also is that my arm here is heavy, so the problem is, will it keep strumming the guitar until it is finished? And will it be as regular as my good hand? Because what happens is, this one is feeling heavy because of its spasticity again, and the pull of gravity is heavy. So as I strum like that in my practice, I felt that it becomes slower and slower until it stiffens like that, and it doesn't function regularly, and that puts off the timing when singing the song because it cannot strum correctly. So that is the problem that I am meeting right now, and I will be giving you the solution later when I will discover how I will do that. Before I proceed with the song here, I have to loosen my arm muscles and the other muscles so that they will be relaxed. So I will have to go back to my basic exercise that I used to, or uploaded in this channel, in the finger exercises. So I have to crumple them, then I have to bend them that way. Then I also have to massage my arm here so that it will loosen up on the shoulder, something like that. And then I have to stretch it up also and pull like that, and then turn on my waist. This will relax the brain, or rather the muscles. Okay, so the chords I used for this song is a D there, then F sharp minor, then G, and then A, and then D again. There's a variation of D7, and then E minor. It depends on the melody of the song as it goes on. For the strumming, it will only be a downward stroke, so it goes like this, that way. Okay, one, or down, down, and next chord, down, down, next chord, down, down, next chord. So it will be D, F sharp minor, G, A, that will be the basic strumming that I use in this song here. There might be some slight variations, but that depends on the timing, speed. Perhaps I can describe it properly, but that it just goes with the rhythm of the song. So let's go to the song. I was down and out and feeling so low. You took my hand and eased my mind. I was astray. You showed me the way, and now I finally found my home in you. I still recall the times I've been through. Confused, I didn't know what to do. I almost gave up. You gave me hope. You made me strong as the days went on. You made me live again. I was lost in the dark with my lonely broken brain. Then you came along and took me home and made me your own. You're always there to lend a helping hand when good friends are hard to find. When things went wrong, you made them right. You made my days so bright. You made me live again. I was lost in the dark with my lonely broken brain. Then you came along and took me home and made me your own. Now look at me, yes, a different me, back on my feet again. I'm not afraid to face the world again, 'cause you taught me how to be strong. You made me live again. You made me live again. Thank you for listening to the song, and thank you for watching this video. Push the subscribe button if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, so that you will be updated with whatever I upload here, and click also that like button there so that this channel will go on. Share this video to people you know who needs entertainment, help, or motivation, so that they can be more progressive in their recovery if ever. And I'll be seeing you in the next upload.